This is the iForgame G300. This headset is a mix of plastic, steel, and some pleather coating on the headband and ear cushions. The build on this headset is done well. Steel and plastic machining is very good. The PU leather on the cushions feel nice and seal well, but more on that later. The gooseneck on the microphone is quite unstable but is positioned just fine, though it can get quite close to your mouth. As for its comfort, I don't think this headset is the most comfortable for me. My head is small, and it doesn't jive well with the cups of this headset. The pressure from the cups are a bit too tight out of the box, but that is expected as it's fairly new. The cushions do not crush my glasses though, so that's a positive. The audio on these cans are very good, way better than my broken Razer Krakens. It has powerful lows, clear mids, and ample highs for both music and gaming. Spatial audio is also very good, very reliable when it comes to tracking footsteps or gunfire when gaming. Here's how it sounds.
Launch sequence activated. 3, 2, 1. Launch sequence activated. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so right now the microphone that we are using is its inline microphone. I've bought a foam cap separately and this does not come with an actual foam cap. Anyways, I've used this in-game in Warzone, I've used this for Discord, and my friend says it isn't very different to the condenser microphone that I have been using. Now let's head over to the pros and cons, but let's start with the pros. It's got very good build at 300 grams. Very good sound out of the box with the G300 sound card in use. It's got a versatile connectivity with both USB or 3.5mm jack. And the last, it's got thick padding that works well with glasses. Now let's head over to the cons and the reasons why you're not gonna want to buy this product. Number 1, there's very little vertical and horizontal swivel. Number 2, it's just a bit too tight for my liking. Number 3, the adjustments on the ear cup isn't as stable as I want it to be. And lastly, although the cushion leather seals very well, the fit on my head just causes air to flow in and out from behind, changing the overall sound stage of the headset. It's a little difficult for me to recommend these cans confidently, as I feel like there are better options in the market with more comfort. I may have the best audio in the world, but if I'm not feeling comfortable with what I'm wearing over my head, audio will no longer matter to me. I hope I did my job here explaining about this product. If you've got some questions, the comment section is down below. Be sure to ask your question. Give me a like, give me a sub if you're interested in our content. This is Biboyharanero. I'll see you guys next time.